The Redmi Note 13 Midnight Black Edition is a solid mid-range smartphone that offers a great balance between performance, design, and affordability. Here's an in-depth look at its positive and negative aspects. The Redmi Note 13 Midnight Black Edition is a solid mid-range smartphone that offers a great balance between performance, design, and affordability. Here's an in-depth look at its positive and negative aspects. Positive aspects. Performance: 8 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM. The 8 GB RAM ensures smooth multitasking, and with 256 GB of storage, you have plenty of space for apps, photos, videos, and games without worrying about running out of space. It also supports microSD expansion, allowing even more storage if needed. 2. Display. The Redmi Note 13 features a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with FHD plus resolution, offering vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and great viewing angles. The 120 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling through apps and playing games feel smooth and responsive. 3. Battery life. With a large 5000 mAh battery, the Redmi Note 13 can easily last a full day of heavy use, and with more moderate usage, it could stretch beyond that. It also supports 67W fast charging, which is very handy for quick top-ups. 4. Camera. The quad camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor, delivers decent photos with good detail, particularly in well-lit environments. The AI enhancements help improve shots, and the ultra-wide and macro lenses add versatility for different photography needs. 5. Design. The midnight black color gives the phone a sleek and premium look. It feels sturdy and well-built, with a good balance of weight that makes it comfortable to hold. 6. Software and features. MIUI 14, based on Android 13, brings a lot of customization options and useful features. It runs efficiently with various optimizations to enhance the user experience. Additionally, features like the side-mounted fingerprint scanner and facial recognition are quick and reliable. Negative aspects. 1. MIUI bloatware. While MIUI 14 offers good functionality, it comes preloaded with a lot of unnecessary apps, bloatware, which can be annoying for users who prefer a cleaner interface. Some of these apps can be uninstalled, but others cannot.